In this video, I want to show you how to fold down the rear seat of your Jeep Grand Cherokee and how to put it back. So it's very easy, okay, to fold it the same way this one is. You're gonna find a loop right over here. It may be hidden, okay, maybe yours will be like this. You'll have to fish it out. And all you have to do is to pull on it. Okay, pull hard because it will unlock the backrest, and now you can bring it down. And once you pull on this, the headrest will fold, so you know it can fit over here in this small space. You see, it's pretty tight. You may have to put the front seat forward if it's completely back in its tracks. To put back this seat, we'll have to unlock the backrest. Simply put your fingers through the loop and bring it in this position and push it. Adjust the headrest and you're good to go. Same thing here. It can all be done with one hand. Thanks for watching. I hope this one was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment. See you.